Right, so let's start with a little chain to make our beginning much stronger. We pull it tight. We go through our keychain and we make a chain of 3 stitches. Chain of 3, this will tell us how long we want our loops to be. So now we can have a cluster of loops, which will start with the yarn over. Then we go through the keychain and we have our first stitch, yarn over, 2, 3, yarn over, 4, yarn over, 5. So we want to make sure we pull those loops so we can have like one puffy stitch. Then we hold our working yarn and we yarn over and we pull through all the stitches till we come out from our first chain. And the yarn that we were holding, we go through it, we pull through, and we lock that first puffy stitch. And that's it. We're gonna make 5 of them for the first row. There'll be 5 green ones. So again, we yarn over, we go through the keychain, pull through, pull and stretch that first loop, yarn over, and do it 4 more times. 2, 3, 4, 5. We hold the working yarn, we grab it, pull it through all the stitches, then we go inside that working yarn that we were just holding, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our crochet hook and we lock them together with a single crochet. Okay. Now we can add our red color. We'll make a little chain as well.